Hello and welcome to English with Jess. Today we are going to talk about articles, a, an, and the. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. To introduce common nouns in a sentence, we use articles, the, an, a. For example, the car broke down. They watched a film. She ate an orange. We use the when something is specific. I went to the theater. We're talking about a known theater. I saw the movie twice. Usually, the people we are speaking to are familiar with the noun we are referencing, so we use the. Do you know the man who lives across the street? This is a specific person that we are talking about. I need to speak to the secretary. I need to walk the dog. These are people who are known, or things who are known. We use a or an to refer to non-specific, general group nouns. For example, I would like to get a dog. This is a dog in general, not a specific dog. An is used when the following noun begins with a, e, I, o, or u, and when the following noun begins with a vowel-like sound. For example, an honest man. So, in short, we use a or an when we're talking about one of something, and when that one of something is not known. A dog, an unknown, unspecific dog. The dog, a dog that is known to the listener and speaker. So, if you see a dog on the side of the street, we don't know that dog, and we're just going to say a dog. But if it's your friend's dog, then we're going to refer to it as the dog, because we both know, both speaker and listener know this dog. To use an adjective, we put the adjective between a, and the noun. For example, she is a kind woman. He is an angry man. You are the sweetest person. Uncountable nouns do not take a, an, or the. For example, bread, milk, water, coffee, tea, gold, jewelry, advice. So uncountable nouns can't directly take a, an, or the because they have their own classifiers. For example, a glass of water, a cup of coffee, a piece of advice, a piece of gold. It is very important to study uncountable nouns and learn how to use them properly.